Hello and welcome to Svadhyaya. Let's learn. Today we will read some simple CVC sentences. Let's read aloud together. A cup of hot milk. A cup of hot milk. A cup of hot milk. Dad can bat. Dad can bat. Dad can bat. Get on the horse. Get on the horse. Let's read one more time. Get on the horse. The hen is in the pen. The hen is in the pen. Let's repeat. The hen is in the pen. Anna is a jet pilot. Anna is a jet pilot. Let's read aloud, kids. Anna is a jet pilot. Fix the net. Fix the net. Fix the net. A dog bit her leg. A dog bit her leg. Let's repeat. A dog bit her leg. Great job, kids. Check the description box for phonics, simple sentences, reading comprehensions, and a lot more. Press the bell icon and stay connected with us. If you like this video, subscribe, like, and share Svadhyaya. Let's learn. Thank you.